In this video, I will show you how to fix the how to fix automatic repair loop and startup repair in Windows PC error. Once you see this screen, click on the Advanced Options button. Now click on Troubleshoot and then select Advanced Options again. From here, choose Command Prompt. In the command prompt window, type this command, sfc/scanno, and press enter. This will begin scanning your system files. It might take a few minutes, so just wait until it completes. Once that's done, we'll run another command. Type chkdsk per fc and press enter. Make sure to replace C with the drive letter where your Windows is installed if it's different for you. Let it finish the check. Again, this may take a while depending on your system. Once both scans are done, close the command prompt. Now click on the Continue button to boot your system normally. This should fix the startup problem. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.